Hello guys, this is Harnish and you are watching Technical Creations. So in this video, I am not going to make an electric gadget, but I am going to give you a review of a power bank which I recently bought from PayTM Mall. Its cost is around 400 INR Indian rupees. So this is the product which I bought. It is a Tiara power bank which is available on PayTM Mall for just 400 rupees. It is a 10,000 mAh power bank. So let us check, is it true a real 10,000 mAh power bank or PayTM Mall is making us fools. So I am opening this packet. Is it there? No, anything is not there. See. This is a Tiara 10,000 mAh power bank. It is a fast charging power bank. Its price is 338.14 rupees INR. It's along with GST and other tax, it cost me around 400 INR. So this is the product. The packing is well and nice. It is quite proper. So from where to open? Yeah, let us open from here. This is our power bank. Is there anything inside? Oh, it is a nice power bank. You can charge 3 devices with it at the same time. Oh, it also has a torch, small LED. See. Yeah, nice. This is its charging port. You have to charge the power bank through this port. It can be charged with the Android pin. See. Oh, it also has the battery showing meter. See, this is the battery meter. Its charge is approximately, it's showing 50%. So it is 50% charged. So let us check whether this power bank charges another devices or not. This is a small phone which I am having it right now. Let's look at that. Oh, it's charging. Yeah. Nice. It's charging my phone, but now I have to say whether it charges 2 devices at the same time or not. See, now I'm going to charge another device with this. Both the devices will be charged at the same time. This is a Bluetooth mic which I am having. Let us check whether this power bank can charge this or not. See. Oh yeah, it is charging. Both the devices are charged. Look at that. It is a nice power bank. I am also going to make another video in which I will be showing you what is inside this power bank. So for this you need to watch my another video which I will be soon posting. And yeah, I am also going to give away this product if the views on my channel reaches up to 10,000. So thanks for watching guys, this video ends here, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have not subscribed it yet, please subscribe it for the latest updates.